5 home remedies to get rid of hormonal acne. Due to bad weather, men and women are not able to take care of their skin, due to which they start facing problems of acne and pimples on their skin. However, apart from this, the problem of hormonal acne is also seen in women. Know about its causes and remedies in the article, Expert Opinion. According to Dr. Alak, this problem of acne is seen in women due to hormonal changes. Due to this, estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone hormones are released in the body, due to which the problem of acne starts. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil can be used to get rid of acne problems. The anti-inflammatory properties present in it help in getting rid of acne. Green tea. Green tea helps to get rid of the problem of hormonal acne. For this, you can use a green tea face pack. Get some sleep. Hormonal acne starts to occur due to insomnia. In such a situation, to get rid of the problem of acne, you must sleep for 8 hours, eat a good diet. To overcome the problem of hormonal acne, you can improve your diet. To improve your diet, you can consume fruits and vegetables. Cleanse the skin. Keeping the skin healthy and fit helps in getting rid of the problem of hormonal acne. In such a situation, clean the skin daily with a scrub. You can use all these home remedies to get rid of hormonal acne.